mother and for a wife that who has been suffering a lot. Imran Riaz is not only a journalist, he is a son, he is a father. He is a father of 4 innocent kids. He is suffering too much. We as a family, we have zero information about Imran. Where is he? It's over 75 days. But we don't know where is he, where is Imran. His parents are suffering a lot. They are very, very anxious about his whereabouts. Actually, what to say, I don't know. We have knocking every possible door, like police station, courts and every possible authority, but all in vain. This is unfortunately much bigger punishment for Imran, that he is suffering just for speaking truth and speaking the fundamental rights for his nation, for his country. So we are, me and myself, requesting or humbly requesting from you and you all, I humbly request that Imran parents and kids are in much pain. They are asking right after an hour, right after every hour, that where is Imran. The kids are asking about his father, their father, and his parents are asking about his son. Please, I request you to all of you that please help us to find Imran and to